Okay guys, so we are talking about unit rates. We are discussing kind of what they are. So unit rate just means per one, whatever we're talking about, per cat, per dog, per pizza, per pencil, per pen, per PlayStation, per TV. I'm running out of things. I'm sure you guys can come up with a million of them. So unit rates are per one. So for example, if we're looking at this one and it says $25 for 5 movie tickets, how can we make that into a unit rate? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a fraction. And it's going to be that 25 over 5. I'm going to find my greatest common factor. And in that case, it happens to be 5. So then 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So this means $5 per movie ticket. And because I'm running out of room, I'm calling them ticks. Okay? And so it's very similar. So we're going to do $16 for 8 chocolate bars. And so again, I'm going to set it up as a fraction, 16 over 8. And I'm going to divide by 8 because that is going to be my greatest common factor. And it becomes 2 over 1. So that means it is $2 per chocolate bar. So please remember, we are still going in that same order. So it went cost, thing. We did cost and thing. Here it's how much it costs per how many things, and here it's cost per thing. So it's just that per one, okay? And so let's move on to some other examples, because I think you guys are going to be really good with this. I think you're going to like this stuff. Okay. So think maybe driving. I know that you guys can't drive yet, which I'm very thankful for. So if we are talking about going 55 miles in 5 minutes, okay? So then what we're going to do, again, it's the same thing. We're going to put as a fraction. So it's going to be that 55 over 5. What's their greatest common factor? Is going to be that 5. 55 divided by 5 is 11. And then 5 divided by 5 is 1. Oh, look, that looks like a smiley face-ish kind of thing. So then remember we have to write it out in words, which means we are going 11 miles for every 1 minute. And because that 1 is implied, I don't have to put it in. So just like with the movie tickets, the chocolate bars, it's $5 per movie ticket. I don't have to say, hey, that's $5 for every 1 movie ticket. Hey, that's $2 for every 1 chocolate bar. This is just how this works. If we were talking about picking apples, because, you know, this is that time of year, love this time of year, I might go ahead and say that we can pick 25 apples for every 6 minutes. I'm sorry, I don't want that to be that. We're going to change the numbers a little bit. Let's make it 24 apples for every 12 minutes because I just remembered how much fun it is. I don't know about you guys, but when I was climbing trees and picking apples, you go up, you pick the apple, you eat an apple. It might take you a little bit longer to get to those 24. Please pause it, check it out, try it yourself, look at our other examples, and then come back. For apples for 12 minutes, I am going to turn that into my fraction. And so it's going to be 24 over 12. My greatest common factor is going to be 12, which means 2 over 1. And in words, remember, this means that we are picking 2 apples for every 1 minute or for every minute. Okay, hopefully this helps. I will make another video on how we're going to do this with tables. For right now, I want you to just do it this way until we get to the table one. I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy your evening. And I apologize about the audio.